So currently I'm shooting this video with this mobile, so I'm gonna add this Godox into this mobile. But today I'm so happy person. You know what's the reason? Okay, so when this green color light turns on, which means the camera is recording. So finally, I choose this Sony ZV-10 Mark II only because of the mic is so lightweight. I hope now audio quality is much more better than the before.
Yeah, Habibi.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video in Delve in Dubai. After a long days. Since I came to Dubai, unfortunately, I couldn't make any videos due to this camera quality. But today, I'm so happy person. You know what's the reason? Today, we are going to unbox this brand new Sony ZV-10 Mark II. If you're a photographer, videographer, or cinematographer, every person has his own desire. You know what is it? Have to get his own camera, and today my dreams comes true. I'm so excited to unbox this Sony ZV-10 Mark II. Before than that, thanks to Dubai Shopping Festival, apart from this camera, I got some excited things along with this. So firstly, I got this Godox C2 mic kit. So it's a compatible with the mobile and also with the camera. Along with this, I got this yeah, heavy provision tripod. Personally, I like this tripod a lot due to this high quality. So we're gonna unbox this one by one. And this is the provision tripod. In the provision, there are different models are there. I think this is the basic model for mobile and camera. Okay, I can feel it. It's approximately around like it seems like 1.5 kilo most probably. And this is newer, and this is the new provision. We got the manual. Personally, I like this metal, and this can extend same like as the one which I'm using, and the metal quality is amazing. It's fully metal one, and also it feels like a bit heavy. And secondly, we have this Godox mic C01. Unfortunately, in this video, I'm not using any mic. You can feel the effect, you know, it's echoing it because I'm shooting indoor. Because last time when I was in the vacation, I lost everything, including my phone, my camera, my tripod, my gimbal. Everything was gone. Then since that day to till now, I couldn't make any videos. I know that's an excuse, but I'm not satisfied with this camera. But today I'm so happy. Oh, we're gonna open this. So this is the Godox C01 mic. So this mic is so compatible and this mic is so powerful. We're gonna open like as this. Open. So this is the mic which you have. We got this small tiny Type C, and also we got this Godox 2 receivers. It reminds me my old Holy Land Lark M2. We gonna keep this aside, this thing now. And also along with this, we got a Type C cable, we got a manual, some sticker. Well, so now we're gonna unbox the man of the match, Sony ZV-10 Mark II. I'm so excited to open this box. Let's see what's inside of this mystery box. One more update about this camera is in Sony ZV-10 Mark II, they upgraded the remote. As much as I know, in Sony ZV-10 and other versions of the camera, they have the fixed remote, you know, like in the grip the remote got fixed. But in this time, Sony has given this removable remote with this, so we can easily attach and detach the remote like this. So this is completely detachable remote. So and also this has different options. So you can also zoom and you can also control the recording. This is to make the background blur. Okay, so we're gonna keep this tripod aside. And now we're going to open this Sony ZV-10II. I'm so excited to open this camera. It was my dream since I started my vlogging channel. Having my own camera, like my own small studio, own gadgets. It was all starts from 2024 when I started my YouTube channel. After 2 years, my dreams came true. So let's see what's inside of this box. So this camera I bought along with the lens kit. If in case if you have already lens, you can purchase only the body. The body cost bit less. And also we have this warranty card. Okay, the mystery start from here. We got this cute Sony neck strap. Okay, this is the vent for, because this camera it comes along with the inbuilt mic, so this is the vent for, and this is the battery. This battery has a long life battery. And now we are going to open the gem. Wow, it feels so light. It doesn't feel like as much as heavy. So in my hand, I have a dream camera. It is Sony ZV-10 Mark II. Feels like so light. It doesn't feel like as a heavy camera, and yeah, it's so versatile for the photography, videography, and yes, it's kind of cinematic effect. Now we are all set up. So once you open this camera, it will take approximately around like 2 to 3 minutes to set up. So in this, you will get this button just here. So this button it's useful for to zoom in, zoom out, and also you will get the record button. In this also, in here you can see there is a 3 modes are there. One for S and Q, and one for camera, and one for the video. If in case, if you switch this into a video mode, when you click on the recording, you have to insert the SD card for that, which I don't have. I have to get it. So, and when you're shooting your video in video recording mode, the plus point in this camera, this red light, you can see here, this red light will open, and this is the exact setup and the button system of this camera. And the best part of this camera, it's a rotatable display, because when I was choosing the camera, in my list I had two cameras. Either I supposed to go with the Sony 6400 if it is not with the Sony ZV-10 Mark II. So finally I choose this Sony ZV-10 Mark II only because of this foldable display. And also this camera has this fully rotatable display. So when you just open this thing, so it's gonna be switch on like this, so you can see the video setup what I'm doing in front of me, and this is fully rotatable like this. This is a 26 megapixel cam, and the quality is amazing seriously. Like when you zoom out, zoom in, I can zoom till there. Quite impressive, not quite, a lot impressive. And we are going to check this Godox Mic 2. So currently I'm shooting this video with this mobile, so I'm gonna add this Godox into this mobile. Let's see how's the quality of this tiny monster. I'm scared to use this kind of tiny mics because when I was using this Holy Land Lark M2, that one also has the same thing like this. When you're vlogging, especially when you're vlogging with the mic, if in case if you are a bit negligent like me, and there are a lot of chances are there to lose this transmitter. If in case the moment when you lose this transmitter, this whole box is gonna be waste, means totally waste. The same thing which was happened with my Holy Land Mark II. Then later I had imported this transmitter from US, because unfortunately nowhere in UAE I was not getting this kind of transmitter for my previous mic. So let's connect this thing to this camera. Okay, so when this green color light turns on, which means the camera is recording, the mic is so lightweight. I hope now audio quality is much more better than the before, because the previous footages, the previous materials, what I was using, it's a completely a raw video shooting, which is with this Nothing CMF2 camera. And now I connected this Godox tiny things to this camera, and I hope the audio quality is much more better. And also the battery is so long. Lifelong of this battery is up to 36 hours. If you're a solo person who's shooting this vlog or the video or anything, it's long lasting up to 6 hours by the single person. So you can see here, this is the tiny orange box. When you click on this orange light, this orange light will turn this into green color, which means now we are in anti-noise cancellation. So well, and I hope you guys are like this video. If you guys are like this video, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe this channel, because in upcoming days I'm gonna shoot some interesting videos for you. Till the time, take care all of you. Bye.